everyone, and I want to take this opportunity at dahil special day ko at birthday ko, ayan, happy birthday to myself, and I'm thanking God for another year, and gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa mga hiningaan ko na birthday greetings. Salamat sa time and effort nyo, at salamat sa mga magagandang mga messages at mga greetings. Ayan, and more power sa ating mga channel, guys, and sana lagi kayong mag-support, hindi kayo magbabago, at yan, yung support lang tayo magmaita. Thank you so much, and of course, happy birthday to me. Love you all.
Hi, Sis Donna TV! Happy birthday to you, Sisi! Ayan, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng dreams mo, matupad mo. Ayan, medyo wala na ako ngayon sa YT, hindi na ako ganun ka-active, pero still, I'm so thankful na isa ka sa hiningan mo ng birthday greetings. Ayan, hindi mo ako nakakalimutan as founder mo before ng Dynamic. So, Sisi, I'm so happy dahil ayan, yung friendship na nabuo sa atin is talaga namang very intact. So, ayan, I'm sure na lahat ng wishes mo ngayong birthday mo ay matutupad yan dahil napakabuti mong tao, Sisi. Ayan. And I wish you the very happy life, and also wish ko din na mas magkaroon ka pa ng maraming more blessings. Ayan. Happy birthday again, Sisi Donna TV. God bless sa'yo, Sisi. And I love you. Bye.
Tom, it's Donut's birthday. What are you gonna say?
Happy birthday, princess!
Princess! About coming, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you!
Donut.
Donut.
Happy birthday
To you!
Happy
Birthday!
Happy
Donut.
birthday. Happy
Birthday to you!
Donut.
Donut
TV.
TVs!
Is she your princess? Oh, you kiss. Happy birthday, Kamsat. Shout out.
Hello everyone, I just want to say happy birthday to Donna TV. Ayan, andito ako ngayon para batiin ka sa iyong karawan, and my greetings goes like this. Naghanap ako ng meaning ng Donna and biblical, kung ano man ang meaning ng Donna sa Bible. So, ang nahanap ko, ang Donna ay isang meaning a lady or a woman. Ganyan. You are strong, and you are strong in material matters, determined and stubborn. You have a good business ability. Ay, wow. You're a good worker. You are creative and outgoing, and you are very flexible and likes to feel appreciated. Ayan, so yan ang nahanap ko na meaning ng Donna. So, wishes for you, Donna. May have all the love your heart desires, can hold all the happiness a day can bring, and all the blessings a life unfold. Happy birthday, Donna. Wish you all the best. And yung friendship, sana nandyan pa rin. Ayan, thank you so much sa support palagi sa amin ni Dongo. And, ayan, that's all. And wishing you good health every day. Happy birthday once again. Bye! God bless you always.
Ay, happy birthday sa kay Donna TV. Wishing you more birthdays to come. At patuloy na maging maganda, malusog, at marami kang kaperahan sa panibagong taon ng iyong buhay. At mabuhay ka ng hanggat gusto mo. Yun lang yun. Happy birthday!
Hi Sis Donna, happy birthday. May this year bring you all the success your heart desire, and more blessing to you and to your family, and of course good health. And wish na ma-meet kita. Actually, gusto talaga kitang ma-meet. So, hopefully, kung uuwi ka this year, yung Christmas, hopefully, magkita tayo. Hindi kasi tayo makatagpo sa schedule natin na sabay na umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, I hope this year, magkita tayo. So, ingat ka dyan. Enjoy your special day. And, bye-bye!
Hello guys! Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Nasa man po tayong lupalop ng mundo. Ito po ang inyong Kuya Royce and Family Vlog na nahilingan po tayo ng ating kapatid na na magbigay daw ng kanyang birthday greetings. Ang ating napakaganda at napakasexy na kapatid sa YT. Ang ating si Ading Donat. Ayan. Ading, happy birthday at sana more birthdays to come, more candles to blow. At ihanda ng maraming pansit dyan. So, enjoy your day, Ading, at sana sana ay ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo sa buhay at enjoy lang natin ang buhay. At ngayon yung araw, special day. So, enjoy lang yung special day at God bless sa'yo. At sana gabayan ka pa ni Lord at bigyan pa ng malakas na pangatawan. Again, happy birthday, Ading, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Abay po. Enjoy, Ading, enjoy.
Hello, Sisi Donat. Today it's your big day. Kaya, ayan guys, dito tayo at mag-greet na naman tayo sa ating fellow YT mates. Ayan. Sis Donat, happy birthday and more blessing to come and stay healthy, stay sexy, stay maganda. Kaya ayan, laban-laban lang tayo guys, and more blessing to come to you, Sis Donat, and more subscribers. Laban lang tayo dito sa YT natin at sa mga buhay-buhay. Kaya ayan, Sis Donat, happy birthday and God bless you always. Bye!
Hi guys! For today's video, I just wanna say happy birthday, Sis Donat! Ayan, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! So ayun, Sis Donat, ang wish ko sa'yo ay laging mag-ingat kasi po nasa ibang bansa ka, and then tuloy-tuloy lang. So minsan intindihan na rin sa ating mga channel, minsan hindi tayo nakakapunta. So at least nandyan pa rin tayo sa ating team. Sana hindi tayo magsasawa. May mga time talaga na pare-pareho tayong mga busy. Ayan, Sis Donat, happy birthday once again. Mag-ingat po palagi. I hope your channel grow basta lumag-ano pa. Ayan, maraming salamat at naging part din ako ng video greetings mo, and thank you so much po, and ingat kayo palagi, and happy birthday once again. God bless you more, and God bless your channel. See you around. Bye.
Hi Auntie, happy birthday, Donat TV channel po. Musta ang birthday natin? I wish na maging masaya ka sa iyong karawan at magandang kalusugan ng lagi. More birthday to come. Yenix TV from here.
Hello. Mayroon naman tayong kaibigan dito sa ating YouTube, at walang iba kundi ang aking kasama tuwing day off. Walang iba kundi si Donat TV. Happy birthday. Kailan mo ako iti-treat? Hintayin ko yan ha. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Hi Donat. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Take care. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. I'm coming there. Say hi to A.
Hello! Ako nga pala si Miss Apayaw Vlogs. Ayan, babatiin ko lang ang aking best friend na kaibigan ko sa Hong Kong. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Donut TV. Happy birthday, Sisi Koy. Wishing you all the best. And may the Lord God bless you always and your family. I miss you so much. And mag-iingat ka dyan sa Hong Kong. Ayan, hope na magkikita pa tayo muli. Sana magkita pa tayo uli dyan sa Hong Kong. And happy birthday. Gusto mo kantahan pa kita? Kakantahan kita ng kantang happy birthday. Happy birthday, Donut. Tut, tut, tut. Happy birthday, Donut. Tut, tut, tut. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Donut. Ayan. God bless you again, and
happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, I just want to greet my friend Donut TV a happy birthday. May all your wish come true and stay happy, good health, and enjoy lang ang buhay. Ayan, happy birthday to you. Love you, Nanny Jules Vlog here. Happy birthday, Donut TV. Thank you so much. God bless.
Birthday, Mama Donut. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Mama Donut. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Donna. I love you.
Sigaw mo, Missy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Mama.